We'll guide you through how to use the Stripe payment terminal effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard by logging into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Terminal section in the side menu. Here, you'll see options to manage your devices and locations. If you have not set up a location yet, you need to do that first by clicking on Locations and then selecting Add Location. Enter the relevant details like the store address and save it. Next, go back to the Terminal section and click on Readers to add a new payment terminal. Select Connect a Reader and choose the type of reader you have. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the reader via Bluetooth or Ethernet, depending on your device. Once the reader is connected, it will appear in your list of devices. Now, let's process a payment. Go to the Payment section and click on New Payment. Enter the payment details such as amount and description, then select Terminal as the method of payment. Make sure your connected reader is selected, and then click on Charge. Now, your reader will prompt the customer to insert, tap, or swipe their card. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see a confirmation on both the reader and your Stripe dashboard. This process ensures you have a seamless checkout experience. Remember, you can always manage transactions and view detailed reports in the dashboard under the Payments and Reports sections. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.